YouTube, it's Craig with Kazworks Woodworking, back from Maine. Been able to get a chance to get back into the shop, batching a bunch of things out. We've got this craft show coming up next month, so I've been working on some trivets, trying to get our inventory built up. It's going to be a 2-day event. My wife and I are really looking forward to it. However, we are getting close on time, and we realized we needed a little bit more inventory, so I've just been trying to batch some things out while my wife is doing her particular projects at home. And we're working on a raffle item that we have to do as well, so we're collaborating on that. And just looking forward to the whole event. It's going to kind of be a new experience for us. I have found that I don't particularly care for just batching a bunch of stuff out because it becomes real redundant. For me particularly, it's not the most exciting things. I like doing the one-offs because, you know, it's just all the creative juices in that particular item and you just run with it. But we'll see how this goes. Looking forward to it. I appreciate you sticking along for all of these videos and updates and projects. I hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great week.